So yun guys, narito tayo ngayon sa Ohio Turnpike. At siguro kakain muna ako rito. Then head back na tayo, pabalik na ng Winnipeg. So gusto kong magpalipad ng drone.
Speed to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. Chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So yun, na-try natin paliparin yung ating drone. Medyo di lang natin siya napalipad ng mataas kasi nasa warning zone tayo. So at least nakita natin kahit paano yung kagandahan ng Ohio. So ito muna ako sa loob. So yan o, narito pa tayo sa Ohio Turnpike. Washroom muna ako bago tayo mag go ahead. Ayan, napaka anong truck stop. So yan, dito tayo sa Ohio Turnpike. Oh, bulaklak, ganda oh. Sa kabila, truck stop din yung kabila. Meron ditong free shower. Yan. Tracker showers. Libre dito yung ano, shower nila. Yan. Marami silang shower dito. Yan. Kumpleto rito. Hindi kagaya sa mga truck stop na mga kagaya ng mga Flying J Pilot. Hindi kagaya sa mga Flying J Pilot, gagamitin mo yung points para makapag-shower. Malaking truck stop to na ito rin, merong mga fast food dito. Yan. Kompleto. Yan ang mga kainan dito. dito. Yan, magkabilang siya. Yan. Siguro mga ilang truck din to, marami-rami rin tong mga truck na pwede mag-park dito. Yan o. So yun, kinuha rin din natin siya ng drone shot. So pakita natin nga dito sa video natin yung mga view. So kailangan ko na ring mag-drive kasi malayo-layo pa yung pauwi. So start driving na tayo. So see you on the road.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.